ferro rod. Hell yeah, check that out, folks. Once again, it's on, folks, welcome back. It is time to show some appreciation. And today's appreciation goes out to Steve's Woodworking and Homestead. But before I show you what's in the box, let me open my beer. Today's beer is Cerveza Legion India Pale Ale. This and a few other beers were sent to me at least a couple of years back. I kept them refrigerated. This one was sent to me by my brother De Aventuras. I'll leave a link in the description box to De Aventuras so you can check them out. Also, I'm gonna keep this beer cold in my Colorado Bushcraft koozie. Perfect for bottles like this ones. Check it out. All right, folks, like I said, I had this beer for at least a couple of years, of course, in cold storage. Cheers, everyone, and cheers, Steve and De Aventuras. Not bad. After a couple of years. It's brewed in Mexicali, Mexico. Keep your beer cold in a Colorado Bushcraft koozie. I'll leave a link in the description box so you can check out his outdoor gear. Whoa, black walnut. This almost looks like the smoke bush that Queen the Eskimo sent me a while back. It says black walnut. Look at the grain of that piece of wood, man. That's beautiful. This is what I asked Steve to make me. This is a beautiful pattern, man. Of course, this is very time consuming to make. Check out that nice blank right there. Check that out. That's lovely wood. Like I said before, putting this together takes a lot of time. Looking forward to making some handles with this kind of wood. Whoa, I feel like a nice beer glass right here. Hell yeah, check that out. This is the second one he sent me. I have one of these somewhere out there stored. Hell yeah. Check that out. A nice piece of ash. Check out the grain pattern on this one. Hell yeah, that's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful grain right there. Oh, I see. Oh, a ferro rod. Hell yeah, check that out, folks. Man, you can't beat that. Oh, knowing Steve, I know what is behind here. Check that out, man. Nice friction fit with this little tenon right here, and this recess in there. Y'all see that? Man, Steve, that's very nice. Check that out. Friction fit. Very nice, man. Hell yeah. Beautiful, beautiful work, man. This is the kind of wood that he made from this. Very nice. Thank you, Steve. Thank you, Steve. I'm very happy with that ferro rod, man. It looks beautiful. Always wanted one of those. Cheers. And last but not least, some of this beautiful fat wood. Sniff me. Divide it, don't hide it, I always say. Okay, we're gonna do a fire after this, so I'll put this on the side. There's some beautiful fat wood. Red cedar. Beautiful red cedar, man. Nice. Spalted maple. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh yeah, some more spalted maple. Ready for some handles. Very nice. I like it.